Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this August the 25th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody did a great Monday evening. Everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather. Cut the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we'll be taking a look at here again right here. We'll be taking a look at the end of the video. We'll give you the coordinates on this here system here. That Fernand continue to push on away from Bermuda and the East Coast on into the north central tropical Atlantic. Just remain a fish storm. Here's that system here we was tracking in the Central Caribbean Sea. You can see it poorly organized, still getting a little bit of development, trying to get his act together, but the National Hurricane Center has dropped any kind of advisory on it because unfavorable conditions are expected in the Central Caribbean Sea, so no tropical development is expected at this time. This system here looks to spin up into a tropical system and continue to push to the west. Got more activity over South America, Central America, the Yucatan Peninsula, also Mexico, straight into the northern Gulf, Florida, all the way up to the St. John and Nova Scotia region. Got more activity over here in portion of Oklahoma, Arkansas, pushing east toward the Carolinas. Got more activity over in the Four Corners region from New Mexico to Arizona, all the way up toward Washington, Oregon State to Idaho, and also a portion of Colorado. Otherwise, expect pretty dry conditions to prevail as that secondary front drops to the south, and expect very pleasant conditions over the next several days as we continue to roll forward. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Those are like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got some flash flooding and heavy rain over here in portion of Arizona, also in Oklahoma and also North Texas, more in New Mexico and also Colorado and also Idaho and Utah and portion of Wyoming. That tropical system here in the eastern Pacific, they have a tropical storm Juliet. You can see we got thunderstorms and showers from the northwest Bahamas, central and south Florida, much of the Gulf, stretching south Texas, much of Mexico to the Baja region of California and also the California region up to Oregon State, Washington State, Idaho, Wyoming to Kansas to portion of Tennessee, Mississippi, and portion of Alabama, a little bit in portion of South Dakota and Iowa, more up here in portions of eastern Canada to portion of Ohio all the way to Maine and southeastern Canada regions as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Tuesday. Alright, here's your Wednesday forecast. You can see we got there's tropical storm Juliet continue to push away from the Baja region of California. Also got some flash flooding and heavy rain over portion of Idaho, stretching a portion of Wyoming, southwestern Montana, then more in eastern Colorado, Kansas, a portion of Missouri, northern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas. Then we got more thunderstorms and showers from Washington State to California to Arizona, New Mexico to Wyoming, Nebraska to Missouri to Arkansas to Oklahoma, western Texas, also northern Mexico, south central Texas, all the way through the central and northern Gulf to the Florida Keys, northwest Bahama, Atlantic coastal waters, and central and south Florida. More up here around Lake Superior, Lake Herring, northern Michigan, portion of Wisconsin, also in the portions of Minnesota and Iowa region as well for your Wednesday. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map you're locating across the nation. Okay, as you can see, we got some beach statements, hazard statements up here in New York State. And then we got some frost advisory over northeast Minnesota. We got a lot of flood watches stretching from Oklahoma to New Mexico, Colorado, Utah, portion of Arizona, Southern California, Central, Northern California, portion of Nevada, also into Oregon, also Idaho region as well. You got some hydro issues in portion of Montana, Idaho, and also Nevada. You got some blow and dust advisories and also some air quality alerts in areas of Arizona. Flash flood warnings over Southern California, also portions of Nevada. Got some flood advisories there. We got some red flag warnings, sets of heat warning for Northern California and Oregon and also Washington State, and some heat advisories there as well, and also in the Idaho regions also. We got smoke craft advisories up here from Maine all the way down towards the Philadelphia, New Jersey region, Southern California up to Oregon State. We got some dense fog advisory along the coastal areas of Oregon and Washington State. Alright, the Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Got some small craft advisory gale warning around the Alaska region inland. Got some hydro issue, flood watches, coastal flood warnings, and some wind advisory there as well. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Tuesday. Alright, you can see the general thunderstorms up here from Washington State to to Texas, or to California, Texas, southern Louisiana, central and south Florida, Florida Keys. That's pretty much general thunderstorm. Let's take a look at the next one here. Also, we're looking at day number 3, which is Wednesday. General thunderstorms expected here from Washington State to Texas to Louisiana to areas of let's see, Kansas over to Wyoming. Then again from Minnesota through Michigan, portions of Detroit area, also central and south Florida, Florida Keys as well. Alright, let's move on to the tropical weather outlook. And here is Fernand, right here, located is northeast of Bermuda. At 5 p.m. it was located near latitude 35.3 north, longitude 57.2 west. Moving to the north-northeast at 14 miles an hour. Some minimum central pressure 1,000 millibar, and the maximum sustained winds are at 60 miles per hour. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Monday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.